Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Soy sauce pan-fried noodles called 豉油黄炒面 is a common Cantonese chow mein. The ingredients are simple but delicious. The soul of fried noodles is mixed seasoning with oyster sauce. Let's get started. Prepare 15 grams of scallion. Cut into sections about 4 centimeters long. 45 grams of yellow chive, cut into sections the same long. Also need 75 grams of mung bean sprouts. Look at the seasoning for mixed sauce. 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Add them to a bowl. Combine well. Prepare 160 grams of egg noodles. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil. Add noodles. Boiling them for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Transfer to a plate. Heat a wok over medium-low heat. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. When it just beginning to smoke, add noodles. Stir-fry slowly with chopsticks. The purpose of this step is to dry out the noodles. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add scallion, mung bean sprouts, yellow chive. Mix the sauce. Continue to stir fry until every noodle is coated with sauce. Turn off the heat. Delicious soy sauce pan-fried noodles are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.